back to my channel. Myself Amulya. I am very excited today to show some beautiful keychain collections to you all. As many people have many hobbies, I also have a hobby of collecting keychain. As my brother has a hobby of playing guitar, my mummy has a hobby of collecting many plants and beautifying the nature and growing plants and trees. But I also have such a hobby. And where did I collect this hobby? Is when I was very young, I had gone to my hometown, to my granny's house, where on my parents' 25th wedding anniversary, I saw my mama displaying a whole lot of a collection of it, like stamps, coins, notes of different states and countries. Later on, he showed me different keychain collections, different pencil collections, different pens collection, different types of stamps, and so many things. So I got motivated, and to get motivated, he also gifted me many ideas. But one fine day, I was sitting at my home in Mumbai, and I was wondering, what can be the collection which I can do? I did not know. I don't have any talent, because many people have talent of doing photography, talent of clicking photographs and exhibiting in the galleries of photography, in exhibitions, in auctions, showing their talent through hobbies. And even many people have hobbies of painting, drawing. Can you see behind the hobby of mine on the wall? Mine and my brother's hobby, which we used to do during the days of my childhood. But art is my weakness. I cannot draw properly. So I thought, let me give a stop for me. And which I can easily do, those I know. I like to travel cities, states and countries. Only not food, but accepting food. There is something else which I could do. So I started doing keychain collection. So let's come with me and see lot of keychain collections I have at home. I would like to display it in front of you today. So these are the keychain collections I have. Varieties of places, varieties of countries can describe, these keychains can describe different varieties of countries. This is the mail which has New York, the New York keychain collection, which is of New York, which has a small Burj Khalifa, a small Statue of Liberty and an apple on it. It can be a fruit apple or the Apple company where people go to buy tablets and iPhones and all. And later, the second thing, which is of another US, which is written on it, is I love Vegas. This is bought by my parents at Las Vegas. Second thing I would show, this is bought by my parents when they had gone to Disneyland, where this is a red color Mickey Mouse. A nice one, a nice Mickey, where you can see many Mickeys. But even this is also of Las Vegas, but this is a keychain where you have in the shape of a t-shirt. This keychain is in the shape of a hat. A Hollywood actor who wears this hat, this is the same shape of this. Then another keychain which is of a stuffed toy, which is a lady. Can you see a small doll where small children like to play with Barbie? Such a small doll with hat keychain. And this is my favorite one, as I love teddy bears a lot. I have a habit of collecting even teddy bears. So this is the one which I have, the teddy bear keychain. Later, this is a football which is gifted. All these ones which I showed were gifted for me by my aunt, some ones, and some my parents bought when they had traveled to US and places and states and countries in small states in US. And this is a camera. Every person who likes to shoot videos and photographs would love to have this kind of a keychain, a camera keychain. Then this is a basket in which a boy and a girl is sitting, that can be a lover, a friend, or brother and sister who sits on it. Now, I would show you some keychains which I myself collected when I went places in foreign and even in India. So I would start from the foreign one. That is, this is a Dubai keychain which I bought in Dubai last year in January when I visited before Corona to Dubai, which is having Dubai also written on it, and this is a Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa. Then the next one which I collected is a keychain where it has Dubai written on it, many coins, many coins of Dubai, Emirati coins, and even my alphabet A on it. Now, the one which is very dear to me, the two ones which are very dear to me is one A written, which is my alphabet one A, and which the other one which has a full name of mine, Amulya, written on it. And now I would like to show you some more collections of keychains which I did when I was in India, and that is the one which is, this is a book which I collected in Hyderabad when I had gone on a tour to Hyderabad. People use this book, those who do not have the habit of collecting anything, not even keychains, they would use this book to write something very secret and keep near their heart. Many people, even not only in Hyderabad, these are the two keychains which my mom's friends gifted to her when they had gone to Goa and to Andaman. But my mom did not know what can be done with these keychains. Instead of using and spoiling these keychains, which are so beautiful in the shape of a shank, so my mom told me to keep this in my keychain collection for preservation. Now I will show you some culture of some Hindu cultural items where I had gone to temples and where I visited in Kerala culture through my keychains. I would show you Kerala culture through my keychains, and those are, one is, this is the keychain of Guruvayurappa, that is at Guruvayur temple. This is of Sri Krishna. In Karnataka, this is called Udupi Sri Krishna. In Kerala, it is called Guruvayur Sri Krishna, Guruvayurappa. So I bought one of the blessings of Lord Guruvayur in the form of a keychain. Later, I had gone to a temple where there was Ganesha in Kerala, and these two keychains which I bought is that this one I bought because I loved it, but this one was being distributed to everyone, every devotee who was coming to the temple. So I took one of them and put in my keychain collection. This is the one which has a Ganesha on it, but not bought in Kerala. It is bought in Ladakh, Leh, where I had recently gone on a vacation to Ladakh and Leh. This is a dagger which is used in the Buddhist culture, but on it has a Hindu god Ganesha, Lord Ganesha. Then another keychain, two keychains. This is the one which my mama gave me, as I love Christianity also, so that as a blessing he gave me. He had an extra one, and this is the one which they were distributing free outside the church in Kerala, Cochin. And this is the Hanumanji. So I thought, let me buy something which is relating to Hanumanji. Even in Kerala, this is Hanuman, Lord Hanuman. So I bought Lord Hanuman's Gada. Can you see it is in golden? the Gada which is used, always seen in Ramayana on the back of Lord Hanuman. And this is a Sindoor Dipi, where the married women in Kerala culture and even in any Hindu culture keep their red sindoor. And this is a pot where you boil kheer or rice during festivals in Kerala. And this is the decorative item used by the Keralite people on the head of elephants. On the head of the elephants like this, they keep. On the head of the elephants, they keep this. So now I would show you what I bought in Maharashtra when I was traveling. I bought two things in Maharashtra when I was going to a fort climbing. This is a top on which you put some Shivaji Maharaj's top. This is, and this is another is a sword which is used by the farmers or the woodcutter to cut wood. And can you see this one? This is in the shape of a fish. This is also a shape of a bell, a Buddhist bell. And now I would show you another culture of Buddhism, where I visited Leh Ladakh, where I learned so many things about Buddhism and Buddhist culture. And I saw many different kinds of bells during the monasteries I visited. So these are the three types of bells which are used here, which are hung in the Buddhist monasteries, where you have to rotate it in the clockwise and then go. They not only have it in the temples, but Buddhist temples, they have in their shops, in their house, anywhere you can hang this. There were so many big ones also. But when I saw the big ones, I felt, why do I am not a Buddhist? So what is the use of this for me? So let me take these forms of these bells in the form of a keychain, where I would get something more to collect and another culture to learn out of it. So I collected these. This is one more, in which can you see a fire? These people use to light lamps in the temples, in the houses and all. And this is one more keychain of Rajasthani type of a keychain, which women put in their pockets on their kamar to latka. And this is why people go to Leh Ladakh is to see. Till 2012, people used to go only like this to Leh Ladakh without any knowledge about, only to see Buddhist culture. But now people after 2012, after seeing the movie of Three Idiots, Ranchor Das Chanchad's movie, Funsuk Wangdo's movie, where people understood the importance of Leh Ladakh. And there is one school in Leh Ladakh which I visited, which is famous in that movie also, Rancho School. So this is the keychain where I bought in Rancho School. The significance of the school, can you see? Rancho School, Shell, Ladakh. This is the keychain, this is the bell which I bought in Ladakh. This is not only hung in the temples, in the houses, outside the houses, for a positive vibe, but also hung for their camels, their donkeys, their cow, buffalo, yak. Everyone has this bell on the neck of the animals, and even on the doors. So now I would show you, last but not the least, two things. That is, one is this keychain, which was gifted to my father when he had gone for his reunion in 2014, the 72nd batch of KMC, Karnataka Medical College, students reunion where he met his friends, and there he got one keychain of remembrance. So my father said, instead of wasting this keychain and spoiling this keychain, its beauty, why not you put it in your collection? So I thought, and I put it in my collection anyway. So this is the last one. Again bought from my US aunt's mother. Last time when she came to Mumbai, she gifted me, saying, listening from my grandmother, that I decorate so much nice Christmas trees. So she bought this for me, and I felt, wow, I can use it for decorating in my tree. But when I saw a ring hanging around it, I felt, why to spoil it by decorating my Christmas tree? Let's not put it in my keychain collection. One more star for me, a star keychain. So friends, can you see my beautiful keychain collections around? So let's come and see my beautiful keychain collections. I would like to show it to you. So come. So now I would give you one tip, that not only you, whenever you all are free, whatever time you all are free, you can collect whatever things you want, because there is so much beauty in this world to collect and to keep. Some have the hobby of writing down notes and keeping as whatever they see, whatever they observe, write blogs, make videos and keep it for themselves. Many have photographic collections. I have keychain. So not only keychain, you can collect pencils, you can collect different coins of different countries, notes of different countries, currencies of different countries, or whatever, stamps or whatever you feel like collecting. So be proud of your collection. It's your own collection. I am proud that it's my own collection, my beautiful collection. So friends, family and every viewer, if you like my video, please do share, comment, subscribe to my channel.